My last 2-minute conviction for at least the time being, because I'm about to spend an extended period overseas, is really the tagline of the organisation I've recently become chairman of, which is Halftime Australia, and that is get clear, get free, and get going. And as leaders, it is such an important trilogy of principles. Get clear. There is no substitute for clarity around what your purpose is, around what the big idea of your life is, around what those convictions are that you are not prepared to compromise. Write them down, say them in as few words as possible so that they're memorable and transferable, but avoid the confusion. Get clear. Then get free. Get free of the distractions. Stop doing so much that you are so busy that you miss the main event that you should be contributing to. Get, with the clarity, a sense of permission to say no to the wrong things so that you can say yes to the right things. And as you get free, you achieve the third, which is you get going. Get clear, get free, get going. There is nothing like an action hero who lives out his convictions, who takes her values and puts behaviors and habits around them that are authentic and achieves the purpose that they set out with. Get clear, get free, get going. It's a great place to land this season of these 2-minute convictions. I hope they encourage you in your own leadership and life.